This is definitely a look and a half right here. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me. I have something new today that I really wanted to try out. This is the mascara by DDK, and I keep seeing this on Facebook and Instagram, and it's supposed to make your lashes like crazy long. So I ordered it from Amazon, and I just really wanted to see what it was all about. It comes with these two different tubes here. One is the fiber and one is the mascara, I'm guessing. At first, brush thin, amazing lash grafting solution. When it is not dry, brush extension fiber also from the bottom of eyelash to top. See photo A. Continue to brush eyelash grafting solution evenly and you'll find eyelash is longer. Do not stop. Brush suitable eyelash extension fiber at the third of the front edge of eyelash. Brush amazing eyelash grafting solution evenly again. You can see amazing eyelash. So obviously that was translated, but I think I get the gist of it. So grafting solution and then grafting solution and then eyelash extension and then grafting solution. I think that's kind of what I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to take these little tubes out. I'm not exactly sure what's in it. I see beeswax and silica and all sorts of like words. So we're going to try it out. Here's the wand here, and it's got all these little fibers all over it. This here is just a regular like mascara wand. Let's just give it a try. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the mascara. So just your average run-of-the-mill mascara, and I'm guessing that I do this. I'm going to move my stuff, bring my mirror a little bit closer, and try the fibers. Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I'm getting some. I'm getting some fullness there. If you can see that. Okay. Do I go back? I don't know. Well, I'm getting fullness, but I'm not really getting any length. So I feel like I might be doing something wrong. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer, I think. Extreme close up. Okay, so let me brush this out a little bit. Let's figure this out. Okay, base, that's the big tube. I'm already getting it all over my eyelid, but whatever, I'll just redo my makeup. Okay, fibers. Okay, and now they're saying that if you want like those really long ones, you have to pinch your eyelashes together. How am I going to do that? I don't know how to do it. Let's use my fingers. I can't even grab them. So I'm just kind of pinching and twisting a little bit, I guess. Do I go with this again? Okay, let's do it. So I feel like the fibers need to have something to hold on to. Weird. Okay. I'm guessing this again. maybe I just need to keep going with the fibers. Because every time I use the mascara, it kind of knocks the fibers off of my eyelid or my eyelash. Oh, that looks weird. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. I'm going to work on the bottom lashes just to see what they do. I don't have a whole lot of, I've got like an average amount of bottom lashes. I don't have a whole lot, but let's try it. I got fiber in my eye too. Okay, fiber, fiber, fiber. I look like the guy from Clockwork Orange. Oh, this is weird. Oh God, I had one. All right. I'm going back to the base. I don't know if I'm supposed to go back to the base, but the tube is so big that I assume that I am. This is a look, but this is not the look. And yeah, I'm only doing one eye because when I'm all done with this, I only have to redo one eye because I've got lots more to do today. They're not getting any longer. They're getting like thicker. So maybe if I just brush this on the ends. And then start doing the fiber. Maybe I'm just too aggressive. I'll be gentle. I'm going to start pinching these together. I just lost my tail on this one completely. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm working on one. Do I go back to the fibers now? I feel like a freaking clown. Get back there. Got fiber in my throat. Okay, I'm literally only going to concentrate on these two right here because I feel like they have some promise. This is so weird and so bad and so wrong. So many things. I can't get them any longer than what they are right now. Yeah, I can't get them any longer than that. Lame. Okay, well, I don't know. I tried to pinch it together and I lost a whole tail. Yeah, I just lost it all. Try building that back up. Oh, this is a mess. Dude, this is bad. This is really bad. Okay, so I'm obviously not using this the way it's intended. I'm just using it for, you know, the sensationalism of the product. Well, yeah. Let's try this. Oh, shit. So this is about as long as I can get my bottom lashes and my top lashes. I don't know. I keep wanting to keep trying, but I can't seem to get them past. Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Do you like my lashes?
You don't like my lashes?
I like my lashes. What do you think? No. I'm going to try using this as intended, like if I was just going to use it for every day on my other eye. I'm just going to do the base, use the fiber, use the base again, I guess. Okay, so obviously I have a better eye in this one, but as a 3D or 4D mascara by itself, I like it a lot, actually. I think it's really cool. It kind of almost looks like I'm wearing like really light fake lashes, which is nice. Obviously on the test eye, it's a look, but it's fun to play with. Like, I really want to keep playing with this eye and seeing how long I can get these lashes. Look at that. I got one. Yeah, this is definitely a look and a half right here. So I'm gonna go wash my face and get on with my day. But I don't know. What do you think? It's interesting. If you have a weird product that you've seen and heard that you want me to test out, let me know, because I love doing stuff like this. There goes my dog. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you again next time. Be sure to subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every time I upload. Talk to you soon. Bye.